This is how you fix your seatbelt when it's all twisted around like this. Okay, if your seatbelt is twisted around like this, it's a pretty easy fix. What you want to do, find the button where the seatbelt stops. Pull the seatbelt up, get some slack. Then you're going to fold the seatbelt over. Now on an older buckle like this, the stopper slides, so you want to keep it down so you can get it in there like that to where it catches. Then you're going to hold above the belt and just pull down. And that's all there is to it. Here I'll show it one more time. Find the button, get some slack, then underneath the buckle, fold it over, slide the buckle down to where it catches, and then pull.